welcome to our company. Regarding us, so ours is a learning focused initiative delivering industry relevant to the technical education. We bridge the gap between academic knowledge and real world skills through structured learning, hands on practices, and continuous mentorship that is playing the important role, not only of just the training or just the lectures, but also we are taking care the students are learning and what is their mindset, how they are learning, and as well as providing the proper assignments. There is a structured syllabus, structured assignments, and mentorship is also there. So our programs empowers students, career transition aspirants, and working professionals to build strong foundations, gain practice and practical exposure, and grow confidential in their careers. Right. So this is about us. Then we offer the courses, technical courses in different areas, like in generative AI, data science, and generative AI. In that, we teach the ML, machine learning, data science, and deep learning, NLP, LLMs. Then in ETL, we have Ab initio, SQL, Unix. Then in languages, we have Python bootcamp and kids related also there. But for professionals, we have Python bootcamps. And then other than that, we have some other interest also, like in Samskritam and Vedic literatures, that also we take some classes. So these are all our about our services. And as per our objectives and vision and mission, we provide the quality technical trainings and that build the strong foundations, enable career growth, create confident, skilled professionals. Then who can join who our courses? So the college students who are aspiring to learn AI or generative AI or ML or Python, Python developer, they want to pursue the career in Python development, they can join. Or otherwise in ETL perspective also they can join. We are training SQL, Unix, Ab initio, or Snowflake Cloud, that also. Then career transition aspirant who are switching the job, they are preparing for interviews. So we have those type of classes as well. Then there are working professionals who are facing the challenges in the current project. So we are providing the project support in their current working area. Then non-tech guys who want to switch to the technical areas and they want to learn from the scratch. So for them also we have a structured syllabus from very basic till the intermediate till advanced level to cover all the fundamentals with great details slowly in a incremental phases. So, how we teach and what are our technology or strategies? So, we provide the live trainings, online sessions with hands-on practice training. So, on daily basis, like code or code base is there. So, you need to write, or trainer will teach you. Then you need to do the assignment tasks. And if there is any issue, you can share your screen. So, in current, if you see, there are so many people are on bench in current industries. Even they join the company, then also they are on bench. Why? Because lack of the expertise in the technology. So even the AI is growing, but now also they need the expertise in the technology. They should have the good grasp in the concept, how the Python code is working, how the prompts, what kind of prompts they should write, what kind of how to recognize which algorithm without taking the load on the mind. They should learn the things with story-based, enjoyable manner. Then only will be able to comprehend and remember the things. For that, it is very much needed that one should have the good fundamental. The college students, they are hankering for jobs, but they are going in this way, that way, and taking some small routes, but later on they face challenges. They are on bench, then they learn later on. So better to start from basics, make your fundamentals strong. So this hours are totally quality based. We're providing the quality fundamentals. And yeah, then practice data sets and then structured assignments are there, which will build you from very basic to slowly up to intermediate, then advanced level, one by one. The structure is like that. Then there are real world projects. What is the cutting edge projects are going on? On the basis of that, what challenges the current developers are facing? And on the basis of that only, the interview questions are designed. So, what are those interview questions? How to answer them? So for those all guidance we are providing. Then continuous guidance and full support. Yes. So whoever is joining our courses, we are open to guide them whenever they are asking, like previous batch students also, now they are asking many times many different things. We are open to help them, support them. So yeah, our WhatsApp channels are there, WhatsApp communities, and if you join the class, then WhatsApp groups also there. You can ask your questions and make to make you job ready and give you the guidance for understanding the technology properly. We are doing the full support. 90% hands-on learnings and 85% of industrial relevant skills we are providing. So next is a hands-on project and practices. So real world projects, what are going on? So we are providing hands-on coding sessions on them, technology based practical project for generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, LLM, and generative AI. Then multiple, actually, we are providing the cumulative projects starting from Python itself. For, suppose a week one completed, then we providing a week one project. Then week two completed, then a cumulative project. Like that, we have a structured assignment and projects uh, streak so that a person will learn what the real world projects are going on. Based on that, the learnings will be picked up. Then industry grade domain specific projects we are providing hands on upon. So these projects are at the end of the course. We are providing some extra projects which are industry driven. Then finance recommendation system, medical, e-commerce, media, extra, in that all areas we providing the small projects to get you touch with the real time scenarios of current industrial markets. Then generative AI assistant and all. Right. Then GenAI courses, in that we're providing the structured syllabus, live training, hands-on, real world project, and continuous mentoring. So we discussed that already. And outcome will be you will have the strong fundamental knowledge on machine learning, deep learning, NLP, LLM, GenAI, as well as Python is the compulsorily. Then hands-on project, and at last we are supporting for resume also, resume building and resume ready projects. Next is we have a three type of batches or three pathway. One is from scratch, in which we are training from very scratch to the intermediate level. Second is one-to-one mentorship. If somebody want one-to-one mentorship for trainer-led sessions, so we providing that also. That provision is also there. It's a separate batch. Then third is a fast track. So fast track interview preparation. For that we are taking a examination of the student. If they are really good for going for direct fast track, or who are generally who are doing a job switch, they are only joining this course, interview preparation course. So they already have fundamental knowledge proper, and then they are joining this interview preparation session. So we have three type of batches. And certification, some criteria is there for certifications, like the college students who are appearing in the interviews or who are in their final year degree program. So for them, we are providing the AI related projects and all. So course completion certificates will be provided after your attendance is proper and you are able to pass the examinations, like mock interviews will we will conduct. So if you are able to cross that all and yeah, your performance is satisfactory, then the certification can also will be provided. That will be a plus point for your CV. Okay, then placement guidance. Mm, so career support is optional. If you need it, then some minimal extra charges are there after the training. So that included the resume guidance, job application strategies, and platform, like on which job portal, which for which companies are currently hiring, all this kind of information we can provide. So the trainer is Chaitanya Desai. He's a data science expert with a strong specialization in ML, DL, NLP, and GenAI. He focused on a concept-driven, hands-on training with real-world project, helping learners to confidently transition into industry-ready AI and data science roles. He is expert in data science, ML, DL, NLP, GenAI, and Python. So yeah, this is all about us. These are our contacts. You can take a screenshot if you or your friends want to enroll in any of the courses. Then currently there are lots of concession in the fee is also there. Yeah, so you can contact us for further discussion. So for today's topic of webinar you are waiting about is machine learning. So I will give from here to Chaitanya. He will carry you. Yes, so Chaitanya, can you take on from here?
Yes, yes.